Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be installing a connection for our bathroom basin. Um, so to start off with, I'm gonna measure the length from floor to where I need to put the bend. Um, so the length I've chosen is about 50 centimeter, 45 to 50 centimeter. That is the appropriate length. So just gonna cut the 15 mil pipe with the pipe cutter. Right, I've done the hot water. Now I'm gonna do the cold water. There we go, I've cut the pipe. So now I'm gonna clean the edges with the steel wool. Now I'm preparing the uh, pipes for the bend. So 90-degree bend I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna use the compression fit elbow, and so that's the compression fit elbow I'm gonna use. Bit of PTFE tape. I always use PTFE tape on the compression fittings for extra peace of mind. There we go, just gonna tighten it. I'll put isolation valve on the both pipes as well, so that in case of emergency, in case if I need to change the tap in future, I don't have to turn the mains water supply off. So just gonna do the isolation valves as well. There we go, that's the isolation valve I'm fitting, 2 of them. Bit of PTFE tape for extra peace of mind. These isolation valves have direction on them, water flow direction arrows, so you make sure that you follow them. And all my pipes and the fittings, they come from Tool Station. They are the best price wise as well as the quality. Right, just gonna make sure it's tight enough so that it doesn't leak. So as I mentioned that the height I've chosen is 45 to 50 centimeter. You can choose. I've chosen 45 centimeter. This is a standard height, so that by doing that you can put any sink. You can fit any sink. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. There we go, I've just completed the connection, and as you can see, I'll put the isolation valves on the ends as well.